G'day folks, Steve from Vintage Restorations Australia here. In today's episode we say a sad farewell to one of our favourites. So if you follow the channel you'll be very familiar with this car. This is George, my 1958 Series 1 109 Ute. I bought this car a few years ago now from a friend of mine up in Cooma, Eric. And Eric said if I ever get rid of it, he'd like first option on buying it back. Anyway, unfortunately, Eric didn't want to buy it back, so I've sold it to a bloke down in Melbourne. It's kind of sad for me to get rid of this, but we're downsizing from the farm here and moving to a smaller property, so I've got to get rid of quite a few of my Land Rover projects to fit into our new house. Anyway, I've had a really lovely time getting George back on the road, and I've enjoyed taking him on trips, camping trips and various trips around the place. It's been my little work truck on the building sites and things. I've lugged my tools around. So I am sad to see George go. But rest assured, it's going to a good home. It's going to be enjoyed and driven and maintained, which is what it's all about at the end of the day. I know that the bloke that's got it is going to really enjoy having this car, and I'm pleased to sell it to him. So this will be the last video that you see George in. Maybe you'll come back to visit. Who knows? Here we go for our final little drive. Oops, there she goes. Starts like a beauty, this old car. And brake off. Wait for the truck to show up. He's old mate here to pick it up, get himself sorted, and then I'll just drive George straight on. Well, George arrived safe and sound in Melbourne thanks to DTT. The new owner and his family absolutely love it and have been using it to death. So it's a great outcome, and I'm pretty happy to see it go down there. That pretty much wraps up George's little farewell. I know I'm going to cop a bit of flack for selling him, but that's just life. Until next time, folks, look after yourselves and try to look after each other. See ya. Relax, come on. Juno. In the truck. In the truck. Come on. In the truck. In the truck. You're running a good thing. Come on, in the truck.